fried quinoa done like fried rice or done just like fried rice? Welcome guys, please stay tuned to the video. Don't forget to give the video a like. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's vlog, I'll be prepping some quinoa fried like how we do fried rice. Quinoa is an ancient food and it originated in the mountains of Bolivia, Chile, and Peru. Now I am using the whole bag. It has 2.5 cups in it and I washed this thoroughly. I washed this for a few minutes, then I leave this to soak. Then I will start the cooking process. I added a little butter, little Himalayan salt, and I allow this to boil. So it was 2.5 cups quinoa and I used 3 cups water. I'll be doing this like fried rice. So here I have garlic, onions, mixed veggies. I'll be using some hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and your girl has to use eggs. Feel free to take egg out of yours. So I added my wok on and I added my eggs, scrambled them lightly. Then I added some butter, which I'll be sauteing my garlic and my white onions in this. Once they are translucent, then I will add in my frozen peas, corn, and carrots. I am doing stir-fried, Chinese stir-fried, but instead of fried rice, I'm doing fried quinoa. Once that is ready, I added in my cooled and cooked quinoa. Then I added in my eggs. Mix everything in thoroughly, and today I'm in Chile, Peru, wherever you want to call it, experimenting and trying to make this dish mine. I added hoisin sauce, you can use as much as you want, and then some soy sauce. As dark as you want this, you can also add to make yours as dark as you want. Sesame oil I also used, and quinoa is a little bit healthier than the regular white rice, although studies have shown that it makes a lot of person like real gassy. But I love quinoa. I prep it in coconut milk. I'm experimenting. Your girl felt like working today. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I am on Facebook at Shelly Denton. I no longer have my Shells Time kitchen on Facebook. That was scrapped away from me. So I'll be posting on my Shelly Denton page. I will also drop my Facebook link in the description box. Now look at my fried quinoa. Call it fried rice, quinoa, whatever you may. This was dinner. Quick and easy. The quinoa does not take long to cook once you soak it, or you call it pre-soak before you cook it. Quick, within 10 to 15 minutes, it's ready. It's different from white rice. As Jamaicans, we know bulgur. We're more used to bulgur. It has that texture. It also has that taste. And because it's your girl business and I want to experiment with a dish which originated in another culture, which is a quinoa originated in Peru, Chile, I wanted to take this dish and make it mine. Please remember to give the video a like. Don't be mean. It is free to just use your finger to give the video a thumbs up. It costs you nothing to follow. It costs you nothing to watch a girl and help a girl to rise. It costs you nothing. Thank you for your support. Look at my finished fried quinoa. Looking delectable, looking delicious. And guess what your girl had this with? I had this with some cabbage and some avocado and some green beans. Please wait for it. This was creative. This tasted really, really good. And you too should try this. Cut rice out for a while. There was your girl home dinner, green beans, cabbage and carrot, no meat, quinoa, and some avocado. And listen, this quinoa was quinoa. Taste really, really, really good. I really enjoyed. And this was a Sunday dinner which I considered to be like healthy, quick, packed with a lot of protein. The avocado, the quinoa, yes, packed with lots of protein that our body needs. Anyways, thank you for stopping by. Remember now, guys, I'm on YouTube. I'm also on TikTok. And I'm on Facebook under Shelly Denton. Homegirl ready for the stretch to do a taste test and let you see. Your girl felt like working today, cooking and tasting, so you see my face, my beautiful face. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't yet started following me, what are you waiting on? Follow me on Shelly Denton on Facebook and on YouTube, Shell's Time Kitchen Flavor. And I'm also over on TikTok. Thank you for your support. Shout out to all my new followers. Shout out to all my continued supporters. Quinoa was my dish today. Thank you for stopping by and I enjoyed it. You enjoy your day when you see this, and don't forget to give the video a like and a follow. Thank you. Catch you soon.